Have you ever wondered how to capitalize on the holiday season to earn extra income? The festive season, a time of joy and cheer, also presents a golden opportunity to boost your earnings. Christmas, a holiday celebrated worldwide, brings with it a surge in consumer spending. And with this surge comes a plethora of business opportunities waiting to be seized. In this video, we're going to explore 5 unique business ideas that can help you cash in on the holiday season. From providing a gift wrapping service for those who are too busy or lack the skill, to baking mouth-watering treats that are in high demand for gifts and parties, we've got it all covered. We'll even delve into how you can transform into Santa himself, bringing joy to families and events. So, are you ready to make your Christmas more profitable? Stay tuned to uncover these unique business opportunities. First on the list is a holiday gift wrapping service. Now, we all know that the holiday season is synonymous with gift giving, but let's face it, not everyone has the time or the talent to wrap gifts that look like they just stepped off a magazine spread. That's where a holiday gift wrapping service comes in. It's a simple yet creative business idea that capitalizes on people's need for beautifully wrapped presents during the festive season. So, what do you need to get started? The basics include wrapping paper, ribbons, tags, tape, and scissors. But don't just stop there. Feel free to experiment with different styles and materials to make your wraps stand out. As for location options, you could set up shop in malls or pop-up booths. You could even operate from home, offering pickup and drop-off services for your clients' convenience. And here's a pro tip. Consider offering premium options, custom tags, eco-friendly wraps, or themed styles like minimalist, luxury, or kids can give your service that extra edge. They not only increase your revenue, but also cater to different customer preferences, making your service more appealing to a wider audience. With a bit of creativity and a knack for presentation, a holiday gift wrapping service could be your ticket to a profitable Christmas season. So why not give it a shot? It could be the perfect way to turn the festive cheer into a successful business venture. Moving on to our second business idea, Christmas decoration installation. As the holiday season rolls around, the demand for festive decorations skyrockets. Families and businesses alike love to indulge in the holiday spirit, but often lack the time or tools to safely set up these decorations. This is where you come in. Offering a Christmas decoration installation service can be a lucrative venture. You can provide a variety of services, from outdoor light installations to setting up Christmas trees and indoor decorations. You could even offer takedown services after the new year, saving your customers the hassle of doing it themselves. Your target market is vast. Busy households, small businesses, and elderly homeowners are all potential clients who would gladly pay for your services. By focusing on these groups, you can ensure a steady stream of business during the holiday season. Now, you might be wondering what tools you'll need. Well, the basics include ladders, hooks, timers, and extension cords. It's always a good idea to have a variety of tools on hand to cater to different installation needs. Being in the business of spreading holiday cheer is not only fulfilling, but also financially rewarding. This business not only brings joy, but also provides a much-needed service during the festive season. Our third business idea will surely whet your appetite, a holiday baked goods or treats business. Imagine the allure of warm, freshly baked cookies, the sweet aroma of pies, the festive charm of gingerbread houses, and the delightful surprise of Christmas cupcakes. Seasonal food like these are in high demand during the holidays, not just for personal indulgence, but also as gifts and party treats. But where will you sell these festive treats? The options are as plentiful as your Christmas cookie varieties. Home deliveries are a convenient choice for customers, especially in this digital age. You might also consider setting up a stall at holiday markets or promoting your treats on social media. If you're feeling ambitious, corporate gifting is another avenue to explore. Now, let's add a cherry on top of this sweet business model. How about offering gift boxes or personalized cookie tins? It's a small touch, but it could make your baked goods stand out from the crowd. Plus, who could resist a beautifully packaged box of homemade treats? So if you've got a knack for baking and a dash of entrepreneurial spirit, this could be the perfect holiday business for you. It's not just about the potential profits, but also the joy of spreading holiday cheer through your delicious creations. With a bit of culinary skill, this business could be a deliciously successful venture. Fourth on our list is a personalized Christmas gifts business. This venture capitalizes on the demand for meaningful, custom-made presents, transforming the usual gift-giving experience gifts into something significantly more special. Personalized gifts have a certain charm that mass-produced items just can't match. They tell the recipient that thought, care, and attention have been put into their present, making it a unique piece that only they possess. This emotional connection makes personalized gifts a hot commodity, especially during the festive season. What kind of items can you personalize? The possibilities are almost endless. From custom mugs and ornaments to t-shirts, photo frames, and name tags, there's a wide array of products to choose from. Those with a knack for arts and crafts could even offer handmade items, adding an extra touch of authenticity. Now, you might be wondering about the tools needed for this business. A heat press, Cricut, or sublimation printer are some of the key equipment you might need, but don't worry. If you don't have these, you can always outsource the printing. As for marketing, starting early is essential to beat the holiday rush. Platforms like Etsy, Instagram, or local Facebook groups are excellent avenues to showcase your products and reach potential customers. In essence, a personalized Christmas gifts business is not just about selling products, it's about creating memorable experiences and spreading joy. This business allows you to get creative and deliver heartfelt gifts to customers. Last but not least, consider becoming a Santa for hire or offering holiday character appearances. This merry venture taps into the heart of the holiday spirit and provides a unique service that families, schools, malls, parties, and even corporate events love. Who wouldn't want a personal visit from Santa or his elves for photos and fun? The initial investment is fairly minimal. All you really need is a convincing costume and, if you want to go the extra mile, some background music or props to enhance the festive atmosphere. But don't stop there. Partnering with photographers could lead to an additional revenue stream. Imagine offering a Santa photo shoot package. Parents will leap at the chance to capture their children's wide-eyed wonder as they meet Santa, and you'll have another way to spread holiday cheer while bringing in some extra cash. This festive business idea could bring joy to many and profit to you. These were the top 5 business ideas to earn extra income during Christmas. Let's quickly recap. A holiday gift wrapping service could be a lifesaver for those who lack time or skill. With minimal startup needs and flexible location options, it's a wrap for a good start. The Christmas decoration installation business is a bright idea for those who love to light up the festive spirit. Your services could range from outdoor lights to post-New Year takedown, targeting busy households, small businesses, or elderly homeowners. Next up, a holiday baked goods or treats business could sweeten the season for many. With a range of products and sales channels, it's a recipe for success. The personalized Christmas gifts business is another heartwarming opportunity. With a variety of products and marketing avenues, it's a chance to make every gift count. Finally, a Santa for hire or holiday character appearances business could bring joy and fun to many events. With a good costume and optional props, you could make Christmas magical. Which of these businesses would you consider starting this Christmas season? Leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more entrepreneurial advice.